boys and girls, it's Mrs. Twinter here. We're ready to do review question 21 on your game board. So let's get started. Ava and Milo's dad is serving milk for breakfast. Without measuring, he splits a liter of milk between the two of them. Ava measures her milk and finds that she has 485 milliliters. How many milliliters of milk does Milo have? Well, we can know that they started with 1 liter. And we know that in 1 liter there's 1,000 milliliters, right? So if we know Ava had 485, how could we find out what Milo has? Couldn't we do 1,000 minus 485? Right? Wouldn't Milo have gotten 515 milliliters? Today's secret word is bar model. Bar model. If you would like to add that in for your next question, the secret word is bar model. And if you participated today, give yourself 1 point. Thanks, boys and girls.